it's me Nusrat. Today we are discussing about Panasonic DZ series 4-door side-by-side refrigerator with full flat black glass design with illuminated handles. In this we have unique features like inverter technology powered by EcoNavi. In inverter technology we have 6-speed variable compressor which is giving 49% energy saving, and EcoNavi gives us additional 10% power saving with the help of sensors. And we have Prime Fresh Zone, which is soft freezing technology which is originated from Japanese method of freezing meat and fruit in snow. This balanced temperature keeps fruit sweeter and tastier. In the Prime Fresh Zone, temperature is maintained at 3 degrees Celsius, which helps freshness and flavor of the meat and fruit to last longer and cuts off nutrients and protein. With Prime Fresh freezing, long-term storage of spices made possible and flavor is retained. Similarly, storing milk in Prime Fresh retain its freshness unlike other refrigerators. No need to defrost and it will save time too. Let's move to the double vegetable case. It's specially designed for fruits and vegetables. Their airtight compartments is maintained ideal level of humidity inside vegetable for last and longer. The compartment is cooled by radiant cooling is set direct exposure to cold air. The humidity care slider of fresh safe zone to its manually controlled humidity so that ideal level of the price and amounts of vegetables and fruits stored maintained. In Panasonic refrigerator has hygiene fresh functions. Hygiene fresh function which is known as AG Clean technology. In DZ series we have double AG Clean filter which deactivates 99.9% of molds and bacteria present in refrigerator. In DZ series also enables surround air flow to each and every corner item present in the refrigerator, cooling them evenly and uniformly. It freezes ice faster with automatic ice maker and make ice fast as 80 minutes in auto ice maker. In auto clean mode keeps ice hygiene, just press the button on control panel and it gets automatically clean. The DZ series is equipped with advanced version of EcoNavi for high performance sensor, detects control inside and outside refrigerator for high precision temperature control. EcoNavi performance sensors are door sensor, light sensor, internal temperature, room temperature sensor, and microprocessor gets data from this sensor and manages real-time function of the compressor. Finally, inverter compressor responds with flexible power control depending on time and situation, depending on your lifestyle and usage. It will memorize daily conditions of use, at what time we are using, and predict user usage for optimum cooling. Reduces the electricity bill with efficient and quiet operation that keep you sleep easy level of sweetness. DZ series of Panasonic. Thank you.